All right, so thanks for checking out DIY bed bug treatments. I just want to cover a couple of things with you, kind of tell you a little about our story, what we're doing, what we're trying to do, why we're trying to help, things of that nature. The big thing that we are trying to do, and the reason why we are trying to do it, is because bed bugs are getting out of control. I own one of the largest bed bug removal companies in the country, and every day I talk to people who just don't have the money to get the proper treatment. And it's terribly unfortunate because bed bugs just continue to spread. They get worse and worse every single day, and that needs to change. So what we have done is we have put out what we call DIY bed bug kits, which is everything that you need to basically rid your house completely of bed bugs and eggs. It does take a little bit of work, but it's well worth it, especially when you compare it to paying $1,200 or $2,000 or more for a bed bug treatment, whether it be heat or chemical or freezing. And professionals use a bunch of different things. But in our kits, you're going to get absolutely everything you need to treat your entire house for bed bugs, to kill bed bugs and eggs. In the kits, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get the chemicals that you need to treat your house. You're going to get a travel size, so that way as you maybe go to the office or if you do travel for work or whatever, you can take some with you. That way you can keep from getting them again. Because once you get them gone, you don't want to get them again. You're going to get a laundry detergent that's specifically made for killing bed bugs. We're also going to send you out a steamer, and the steamer is going to help, especially on your fabric furniture, drapes, mattresses, to kill anything that is present there. You're also going to get mattress covers, pillow covers, every little thing that you need to make sure that you're successful. But more importantly, not only do you get what's in the kit with the checklist that you may have already gotten and the video training series that we go through, we're going to basically teach you what we do. It's basically the same training that we send our employees through so they can treat for bed bugs. And it's important because you want to have a professional quality job. You're going to be trained from a professional. That's what you get with our thing. So we're also have staff available to answer questions over the phone. So as you're going through the process, and maybe you have a question on how to treat a hide-a-bed, something like that, you can just pick up the phone, call us. We walk you through the whole process. We're hand in hand with you. Another thing is that when you call a professional gives you a warranty. Okay, we're going to do the same thing, but even better. We are so confident that if you follow our instructions and do exactly what you tell you, that you will get rid of bed bugs. If you purchase one of our kits, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's how confident we are in it. So, read through our website, check it out. Give me a call. My name's Jason. If you call the number up here at the top of the website, just give me a call. Ask for Jason. Or you can talk to anybody on the staff. We'll be more than happy to help you and answer any questions that we can. So check it out. Order yourself a bed bug kit. You will be happy as you can be because you're going to get rid of your bed bugs. And you're going to do it without spending thousands of dollars. So take a look at it and I guess give me a call.